Hi everyone, I'm Claudia from Kyber, a member of the support team, and today we're gonna see how to use the wired connectivity kit. The wired connectivity kit is composed by a 4G router, a portable battery, a short Internet cable, an access point, and a longer Internet cable, about 30 meters. To use the 4G router, you need to open the device, remove the battery, and insert a SIM card inside this slot. Then you need to insert the battery again and close the device. To recharge the battery, you need to press on the two clips of the battery case and pull off the battery. Then you need to connect the battery to the wall charger and wait until the light will become green. After the recharging, you then need to pull in again the battery inside this case. To use the kit, you need to switch on the 4G router, connect the device to the battery with the shorter Internet cable, and then connect the longer cable to the battery and to the access point. If you need further support, you can check our YouTube channel to find out more.